like
Yeah.
missing.
Yeah. That's what's so great. Now look how historical it is. Yeah. That was a great game.
That's the only one I've ever like played, and I never even got through it.
So you should just play all of them. I mean, at this point, playing the old ones is going to be a little bit of a drag just because the games themselves are old.
I've played the first one.
Really?
The 2008 one. I mean,
Is that when the first one was made?
yeah. It was, honestly, the mechanics are just as smooth.
Yeah, it's not bad. That's definitely my favorite game franchise.
I like Red Dead.
Yeah.
I mean, there's only 2 games, so it doesn't really count as a franchise.
Hey, excuse me, what games are you guys talking about?
Oh, we were just talking about Assassin's Creed.
Oh, Assassin's Creed.
This reminds us of like
Yeah?
the game just because it has a lot of big, you know, old historic buildings.
Yeah. Does remind me a little bit of Assassin's Creed around here.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, I think there's a lot of Roman inspiration to the buildings.
Yeah.
And that whole time period, which is, you know, there's Assassin's Creed that takes place in that time.
True. You can tell where there's Roman influence and then there's like, fault, like,
Yeah.
you know, remnants of like the.
Yeah. I mean, you have to modernize it somehow.
No, my heart rate relaxed, right? Whoa. The sky's just like weather here. It's so blue, beautiful. What did they talk about? They're talking about like Assassin's Creed. How it reminds them a little bit of Assassin's Creed. Yeah, no clouds in the sky. You're $5.
This is
No,
way better than Joey Cash's stream for
no comparison. Everyone's stream is great. Joey's stream is great too. Okay. There's no better IRL streams. They all do their own stuff. Show what they think is the best, you guys. I inspire you to travel. I think you guys should definitely travel to Croatia when you can, because I think Croatia is probably a really big vacation place for a lot of Europeans. Kind of like Bahamas and Cancun is vacation place for US people, like NA people. And Croatia is probably a vacation place for like European people. And like Thailand or Philippines are vacation place for like Indonesia, the vacation place for like Asians, I think. Like those beach side. But it's great more people travel